We're going to a few waterfalls around the area.
So this is a place called Protesters Falls. We're about to go to a big waterfall. And it's been called that because it was the first ever place in Australia, if not the world, to protest and to save a tree 40 years ago.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're having such a good time. Just finished having lunch. Now we're off to another waterfall, guys. So everybody's having a really good time, and Island's gonna sleep like a baby tonight. So yeah, let's go, guys. We're on a roll. Let's do this.
Hey guys, so we just parked the cars now. We walk into the waterfall. Beautiful wifey.
Island, smile.
Baby Island.
Beautiful hubby.
Yeah. Yeah, that smile. Yeah. So the waterfall is somewhere down there, guys. So
pretty steep, guys.
yeah. And we also see some people nude, so that can't go on camera.
Yeah. Cannot go on camera.
Yeah.
We don't want to see naked people.
No. Yeah, but yeah, it's down that way. So let's go.
So guys, this is the way down to the waterfall. It's a little bit steep. And we're just trying to hurry it up because my brother just yelled out saying there's a dog coming behind us. So, walking through. Yeah, so just with all these little treks that we're going through, you don't have to be majorly fit, otherwise, you know, but you'd have to be, you know, fit enough to walk through these bushes, I guess. Your knees have to be perfectly good.
How is it? Alright guys.
Hi guys again.
Yeah, so we just walk up the hill, leaving this waterfall now. Yeah, so
a bit puffed out.
Yeah.
But you know, you expect it when you're climbing up the bloody hill.
Yeah man. So that was Waterfalls number 2. Now we're going to the third one, which is the last one, right?
The last one.
I know
that there are other secluded ones like this one I've never seen, but
yeah.
I think it's going to be great. Hopefully we can fly the drone.
Yeah.
Yeah, be good.
Yeah, so this one was nice. We actually got to swim and all that, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man.
And Bubba was cold as anything.
I swear.
He was frozen.
True.
But now, he's with Uncle.
Yeah.
And we're going to go to the third waterfall now, so it's a vibe.
Yeah, so if you reach this far into the video, what must they do, babe?
Subscribe.
Yeah, what
like.
else? Yeah.
And comment. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
So
we're on a roll. Let's go.
Let's go.
We on a roll now.
Let's go now.
Since you always start it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the wine. That's what it's called.
Ready guys? You gotta wine.
Yeah, man.
Hey! Where's the phone?
Boo boo. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we're going down now, guys. I can glimpse the water. Yes, we're here. Hey, baby. Yeah, we're here now, guys. Yeah, people are jumping from the rocks here, guys. Oh, that's crazy, man. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, real warm weather. Is this guy gonna jump from there? This guy gonna jump, guys. Woo. Woo. Sick. Yeah, look at that, guys. And ooh. Woo. Sick. These people are crazy, look at that. What the frick? They're jumping, yeah, they're crazy, man. I'm going closer. Guys, they're jumping all the way from up there. That's scary. You think me love to take risks? Look at these people, guys. Ooh. Look at she climbing up. What the hell? What is she doing? Oh shoot. That is scary. Babe, look at this guy about to flip. Holy shoot. Oh my god. You know how close to the rock that is, guys? Camera wouldn't even tell you the judgment, I swear. Holy crap. This guy about to jump, guys. Ooh. They are crazy, man. These guys are like suicidal. Hey, baby. Check out the graffiti, guys. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we've reached our final destination.
Yeah.
And we absolutely enjoyed it. It was beautiful. We
crazy.
saw some crazy ass people doing some crazy ass stunts.
Yeah.
So we were just shocked. Anyway.
Yeah, man.
Didn't get to swim in this one.
No, we chill.
Just chill vibe.
Just chill at this one, you know?
Yeah. But it was so much fun still.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys, we're gonna close this off today.
Yep.
Make sure that if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, comment down below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, man.
And
we'll catch you in the next one.
Catch you in the next one, guys.
Yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed it, alright?
Blessings, guys.
Blessings.
Big up yourselves.
Stay safe.
Yay!
We out.
We're out.
Woo!